Manager account and member account. CADbro Cloud provides two kinds of accounts for users to manage their data. In Manager account, you can easily manage the member accounts, view and share the 3D files. In Member account, you are able to upload the 3D files to cloud at the CADbro client ends. First, let's have a look at the Manager account. In Authorization tab, managers can add a new license to the cloud. Then, managers can create more member accounts, get more cloud storage and shared link. In the Member tab, managers can create or delete member accounts. Managers can reset the password for member accounts. If we set the status of member accounts as locked, that means the user can't log in the locked member account or view the file. But the data will stay in the cloud, and the manager can reset the account to normal. View 3D files in different member accounts. In the File tab, you can view all uploaded data. Click the file name and it will be opened in IE Browser. Click Version icon. You can change the version of files. If the file has been uploaded several times, you can also create the share link. Cancel the share link or delete the file here. In the Share tab, all the shared files will be listed here. You can copy and share the link to other people. In the Setting tab, it allows managers to upload his profile photo and set his nickname here. Next, let's have a look at the member account. When you log into Member account in Browser, don't forget to select the login type as member. The functions of Member account are very similar to the Manager ones. However, you can't add new licenses to the cloud, manage member accounts, and view other members' files of their private folders. In addition, you'd better remember that you can only log in the CADbro client end with the member account rather than the Manager account.